against my better judgment, I have decided to go for 1/100th of a second, just to show you the crowds. It's around 6 o'clock in the evening. Yes, it's going to be 6 o'clock. The Ganga Aarti might have already started, but this is the scene on Dashashwamegh Ghat Road. It's absolutely jam-packed with people. There are people walking towards the ghat, as you can see. Then there are people in the shops all across. Then you will see people, just standing, waiting for somebody or waiting to go somewhere. There are these different lanes, and there is occasionally a two-wheeler guy trying to uh, honk his way through. There's another one. So at this time of the evening, there are people mostly going towards the ghat. And if the Ganga Aarti is on, or just 1 hour before the Ganga Aarti, 1 hour before the Ganga Aarti, there is a whole lot of people walking towards the ghats. There's this poor guy. So as a shopping place, this place is selling everything under the sun. But then yes, you will find items which are, commonly people buy. So yes.
आज कौन सा डे है? संडे है।
So yes, wherever people in this quantity come, there will be shops. Now, the next footage, let me go at 1/200th of a second. Oh, I just wanted to add on that it's a Sunday today. That's why this rush. So now we are again back at 1/200th of a second. So wherever there are dark portions, like the one which we are walking into, so you won't see the features so clearly. But then yes, the dancing light effect won't be there. So that's the Dashashwamegh Ghat Road at 6 o'clock in the evening.